Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 5 best sewing machines, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Singer 4432 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. Built for strength, speed, and precision, the Singer 4432 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine is designed to handle everything from delicate fabrics to tough materials like denim and canvas. Equipped with a heavy-duty metal frame, this machine provides superior stability and long-lasting durability, ensuring professional quality results with every project. With an extra-high sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, you can complete projects faster than ever, making it perfect for long seams, quilting, and heavy-duty stitching. The powerful motor delivers excellent needle-piercing strength, so you can tackle thick seams with ease. Featuring 110 stitch applications, including basic stretch, decorative stitches, and a one-step buttonhole, this machine offers unlimited creativity for customization and precision sewing. The built-in reverse stitch function reinforces stitches for added durability, while the adjustable presser foot pressure allows for smooth sewing on thick or delicate fabrics. Convenience is key with the top drop-in bobbin system, which includes a clear view cover to monitor thread supply. The Stay Bright LED lighting illuminates your workspace, eliminating shadows for improved visibility. The drop feed feature allows for free motion sewing and button sewing, adding even more versatility to your projects. With an array of included accessories and a soft-sided dust cover, the Singer 4432 is the ultimate choice for sewists who demand power, speed, and reliability in their machine. Number 2. Brother CS 7000X Sewing and Quilting Machine. Take your sewing and quilting projects to the next level with the Brother CS 7000X, a feature-packed machine designed for versatility and precision. With 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting stitches, plus 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes, this machine offers endless creative possibilities. Whether you're crafting garments, home decor, or intricate quilts, the CS 7000X makes every stitch count. Threading has never been easier with the improved automatic needle threader, which effortlessly guides the thread through the needle, eliminating frustration and saving time. The jam-resistant, drop-in top bobbin ensures smooth operation, preventing interruptions so you can focus on your creativity. Built for durability and stability, the metal frame and fixed needle bar provide superior control, allowing for clean, even stitching, a must-have for quilting and detailed sewing projects. Plus, the large needle-to-arm workspace gives you ample room to work on larger projects, making quilting more comfortable and efficient. To enhance your sewing experience, the CS 7000X comes with a wide table, 10 sewing feet, a quilt guide, a protective hard case, and more, ensuring you have the right tools for every task. Number 3. Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. The Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine is built for sewists who need power, speed, and durability in one reliable package. With 97 stitch applications including basic stretch, decorative stitches, and a one-step buttonhole, this machine allows for creative versatility in every project, from everyday sewing to custom designs. Featuring an automatic needle threader, the 4423 eliminates frustration by threading the needles effortlessly, perfect for reducing eye strain and saving time. Plus, with an impressive 1,100 stitches per minute speed and a 60% stronger motor, this machine easily powers through thick seams and heavy fabrics like denim and canvas with precision and ease. Built for longevity, the heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bed plate provide stability, ensuring smooth, skip-free sewing even on challenging materials. The top drop-in bobbin system with a clear view cover prevents interruptions by allowing you to monitor your thread supply at a glance. To make sewing even more convenient, this machine comes with a variety of accessories, including an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot quilting guide, and more, all stored neatly in the built-in accessory tray. Plus, The Stay Bright LED lighting illuminates your workspace, reducing shadows for enhanced visibility. If you're looking for a powerful, high-speed, and versatile sewing machine, the Singer 4423 is the ultimate choice for tackling both heavy-duty and everyday sewing tasks with ease. Number 4. Singer M1500 Sewing Machine. The Singer M1500 sewing machine is the perfect companion for beginners and experienced sewists looking for a reliable, easy-to-use machine. With 57 stitch applications, you can sew fashions, piece quilts, create crafts, or handle everyday mending with ease. This machine includes essential stitches like the straight stitch, zigzag, blind hem, multi-step zigzag, decorative scallop, and a simple 4-step buttonhole, giving you everything you need for a variety of projects. Selecting your stitch is effortless with the clearly displayed stitch selector dial. Just turn the dial, and you're ready to go. No need to worry about adjusting settings as the stitch length and width are preset, making sewing hassle-free and ideal for beginners. The 4-step buttonhole feature guides you through the process, ensuring you get the perfect buttonhole every time. Designed for convenience, the quick and easy threading system takes the guesswork out of setup. With clearly marked threading guides for both the upper thread and bobbin winding, you'll be sewing in no time. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4411 Sewing Machine. Take your sewing to the next level with the Singer Heavy Duty 4411, a powerhouse machine designed for tackling tough fabrics with ease. With 50% more power, this sewing machine effortlessly handles denim, canvas, and leather, delivering professional-grade stitching without skipping a beat. Despite its strength, it also offers the versatility needed for lighter fabrics, making it an excellent choice for all kinds of sewing projects. With 69 stitch applications, the Singer 4411 lets you explore a world of possibilities, from basic seams to intricate decorative designs. Whether you're crafting home decor, fashion pieces, or tackling heavy-duty repairs, this machine adapts to your creative needs. Plus, with an impressive 1,100 stitches per minute, you can complete projects faster, saving you time without compromising precision. Built to last, the durable metal frame provides stability, ensuring skip-free sewing and high-quality results every time. The top drop-in bobbin system with a transparent cover lets you monitor your thread supply effortlessly, preventing unexpected interruptions. If you're looking for a reliable, high-speed, and powerful sewing machine that can handle anything from delicate fabrics to rugged materials, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 is your perfect companion. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.